What I missed most when I started my low-carb diet was eating rice. But I'm so pleased that I learned to cook low-carb rice recipes that I now enjoy to eat on a regular basis. So today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest recipes and one of my favorites too. Please keep watching. Let's begin by cracking 2 eggs into a bowl. Beat till it gets fluffy. Add cooking oil into a preheated pan. Then pour in the egg. Scramble and set it on one side of the pan. Add in your veggies. Beans, carrots are the best, but you can also use or add mushrooms or bell pepper. Stir continuously or constantly. Then add your cauliflower. Here, I'm using frozen ones. I pre-cooked it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Then add your protein. Here I'm using ham, but bacon is also good. Stir continuously. Then season it with cocoa aminos. Stir again. Then add salt and pepper to taste. Add a drop of sesame oil. And of course, a dash of Chinese spice. You'll love the aroma. Stir again. And that's it. You're done. It's really quick and easy. And most of all, it's delicious. Dish it up into a bowl and garnish it with spring onions. Try this. I'm sure you'll love it too. Thanks for watching.